Decorating a small balcony for relaxation.
Our balcony has so much potential, but it looks so plain right now.
I know. We could turn it into a cozy relaxation spot. What's your vision for it?
I'm thinking lots of greenery, soft lighting, and comfy seating.
That sounds amazing. Let's start with the seating. Should we go for a small sofa or a couple of chairs?
A small outdoor sofa would be nice, but it might take up too much space. What about two comfy chairs with a small table in between?
Perfect. We could get chairs with cushions that are weather resistant. Should we go for neutral colors or something brighter?
Neutral tones, maybe beige or gray, and then add colorful throw pillows.
Great idea. Now, for the greenery. I think we should get a mix of potted plants and maybe some hanging ones.
Definitely. A tall potted plant like a bamboo or a palm would look great in the corner.
Love that. And for the railings, we can attach planters with flowers or trailing plants like ivy.
Yes, trailing plants would look so charming. Should we add herbs too? Like basil or mint?
That's brilliant. We can use the herbs for cooking and drinks.
Okay, so seating and plants are sorted. What about lighting?
String lights, for sure. They'd give such a magical vibe in the evening.
Agreed. We can drape them along the railing or hang them above. What about lanterns?
Oh, yes. A couple of lanterns with LED candles inside would look so cozy.
Perfect. Should we add a small rug? It might make the space feel warmer.
Great idea. Something outdoor friendly, maybe with a subtle pattern.
Yes, and it'll help tie the seating area together. Do you think we need anything for privacy?
Good point. We could put up a bamboo screen or some fabric panels along the railing.
Bamboo sounds better. It's natural and matches the greenery theme.
Agreed. Should we add any decorative pieces? Maybe a wind chime or some artwork.
A wind chime would be lovely. And maybe a small shelf to display some knick-knacks.
Yes, we could put little figurines or candles on it.
This is going to look so dreamy. When should we start shopping?
How about this weekend? We can hit a garden center and a home decor store.
Sounds like a plan. Let's take measurements before we go, just to be safe.
Good thinking. I'm so excited to see it all come together. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.